Hi Lewa, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today guys a video from KenshiYonezu, HikaruUtada-JANE and ChainsawMan the movie RezeArc MV. Oh my god, we are literally seeing right now music video, but then let's see. If you guys not thought about that, please make a comment guys and let's go. Okay, hi. When this movie will be released, guys? Okay, good details. Look at this. Okay, whoa. Who is the writer? I don't know about, but he's draw so well, or she. I don't know. Hikaru. Oh my god. She's become a monster, right? I remember it from this. Oh my. She's acting so good. Oh my god. Oh. That's so close. But I wonder, Kenshi, how many times he releasing a video about this Chainsaw Man nowadays? Already 4-1. Oh my god. 3-4 4-1. Oh my god, it's a lot. 3. Oh my, bro, they're becoming lover. Exactly. What is that? Oh my, she's naked. Oh my god. That's kind of interesting bridge. Oh, good bridge. Wow. I got chills. Wow. Oh my. Oh my god. She turned it there. Oh my god. That vocal part insanely good again. Wow. Oh my god. Even music here. Perfect. Okay, look at the shot. Hi, Kenshi. Oh my god. Here is the gold here. He passes 8 million. Subscribe. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, music was perfect. Made the song, the lyric. You can see. No. Oh my god. Shut up! Come on. Oh my. Mario. Lovely. Oh my god. How she can act like that? Oh my god. I wonder movie actually. What's happening? Oh my god, look at this! How she turn it? Oh my god, they are kissing there also. Oh my god. Oh man, look at this. Oh my god. Wow. Bro, what? Oh my god, there is kind of art, right? I got chills on my neck actually also. What a taste. Shut up. Wow, what is happening? Oh my god. Okay, they're closing again. Closing again. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, it's so sad. Oh my god. What's happening? Oh, good detail. Oh my god, I feel sad, but at the same time the song is perfect. Music so good. I feel sad for him. What is it? Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, we saw the leg? Oh my god. Oh my. What is kind of so much spoiler? I don't know, from the movie. The movie's end right now. I don't know, but spoilers are. Wow. Look at this. He's so surprised for ever emotion. Look at this. It's speechless. Oh my god. Oh. That transition again. Wow. Bro, it's incredible. Bro, music. Who made this music? I don't know, but we need to give it is. Shut up! It's so hard. Wow, when she's alone, she looks kind of normal. Also, I don't know what's happening. I wonder. She getting control someone? I don't know. I was trying to see the the good part of that relation. That was sick. Anyway, let's end. If you guys want more about them, please comment down below and take care of yourself, guys, and bye. Bye.